What's up, everyone?
Message from Dr. Grant.
Welcome back to Jurassic Park Operation Genesis Jurassic March. God, that was brutal. I saw it on the back, the behind end. It looked like it was just absolutely going primal. In the last episode, we've gotten a couple dinosaurs in, pretty much. Pretty much all of them were of Asian descendants. So we got in the Yanchuanosaurus, the Chinese
Welcome back.
Allosaur, and we've also gotten, if we find it, where are
Urgent
you?
message
Why the
from Dr.
Stegosaurus is
Sattler.
freaking out? There they are. We have also gotten the Tuajangosaurus, the last Stegosaur for the Stegosaur enclosure. Now
Welcome
we are
back.
currently going into a quote-unquote twister. And one of our dinosaurs is having a bit of a fit. There it is. the Guanlon. But thankfully, through the knowledge of Jurassic Park Operation Genesis, since this is a remodel of the Dilophosaurus, and I'm fairly certain the
Message from John
Dilophosaurus
Hammond.
essentially
Urgent message
never
from Dr.
destroys the
Sattler.
fences, we should be good. I mean, I could remove the fences and just watch it cause chaos. But I'm not going to. But it should be fine. It's not gonna break the fence. Because this is technically supposed to be a twister event. I can't send in the helicopter to
Urgent
just
message
put
from
this
Dr.
dude to
Sattler.
sleep. So we're just gonna have to wait a bit. But at least it's the Guanlon, you know.
This is a
At least
disaster.
Message
it's
from
not
Dr.
something
Grant.
like, let's say, I can't.
Urgent message from Dr. Sattler.
And this is where things go extra wrong. And suddenly there's a pandemic. Oh, there is a pandemic!
Urgent message from Dr. Sattler.
Ah! Is it over? Oh, it's over!
Welcome back.
Thank God! Alright.
Urgent message from Dr. Sattler.
Returning to base.
Oh, but it didn't even... It died because of natural causes.
Urgent message from
Oh,
Dr.
first things
Sattler.
first. You're already asleep. Okay, right, we've dealt with
This
that.
is a disaster. You must act now.
Gynosaurus is looking extremely sick. We've got...
Urgent message from Dr. Sattler.
Oh, but here's the annoying thing, though, is that because I've noticed that
Hi there.
the pattern that they see
No
this
problem.
mod seems to do is that whenever the dinosaurs are either really thirsty, really hungry, or really sleepy, that's when I
How
get the
do you handle
notification
this?
of, yo, your dinosaur's looking really sick. And this.
Message from
And it's always the Dryosaurs too. So I just look at the Dryosaurs and go like, oh, okay, yeah, I'll fix them up. And then it turns out that no, they're perfectly fine. And eventually it's gonna come to a point where like I see these messages so often
This is a
urgent
that
message
I'm
from Dr.
just
Sattler.
automatically assuming that it's gonna be nothing. But there's gonna be like goddamn dinosaur Ebola one day, and it's gonna spread wildly to the populations.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Missing one, two. I'm missing a Ceratosaurus. No, I'm not. Just asleep.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Right. In terms of other dinosaurs, we're just gonna have to be patient for now, because I'm not sure what type of dinosaur we're gonna get. We're just letting the game play out. See what will happen here. Sure. Because we have a lot of candidates, really.
You must do something about this.
And we should be good. Your Diplodocus has collapsed and go into a coma.
This is a complete disaster. Will you
What
do
the-
something?
What happened? Can I build a second helicopter pad? Because I feel like I'm going to need a
Urgent
second
message
helicopter.
from Dr.
I
Sattler.
can. I'm going to do that quickly.
The wind is too strong. It's slowing us down.
Where was too strong?
Okay.
That'll help a
Return to
lot.
base.
Right. So what do I have in store? Another Guanlon is. This is a.
Sure.
No, don't sleep him. I mean, revive him. Oh,
What should we do about this?
alright. Acrocamp. So let's have a look. Two Odrangosaurus, Alioramus. I would like Alioramus, but at the same time, I kind of want to save Alioramus for Jurassic World Evolution. I guess I can still talk about Alioramus but at the same time, it's not. I'm thinking of a different dinosaur. In Jurassic World Evolution, it's
Message from
changed
Dr. Grant.
Tyrannosaurus, not the other one.
Great.
But Alioramus. Well, they're still in the same general family. And I think it would be
Okay.
interesting to talk about those dinosaurs. But I feel like I would do it better justice in Jurassic World. But, as I said,
What
I
are
don't
your
know if
instructions?
people will see the Jurassic World videos and
What would you like to do here?
the other one, blah blah blah. Right. Okay.
Message from Dr.
Now that
Wu.
we're calmed. Yeah, now that we're calmed down. Wait, hold on. What's going on here? Not any of them they got this one single diplodocus that slices. What is going on? Why is everyone. Why are all of the sauropods chilling out in this little corner?
Message from Dr.
You got
Wu.
this nice, lovely valley over here. And instead they all decide to clump up into this one single corner. Hold on, let me build a dino lure. That will hopefully summon parrots. Alright.
Hi there.
Hopefully this will make them
Message from Dr. Grant.
stop hanging out. Stop
Urgent message from
harassing the
Dr.
birds that
Sattler.
are trying to nest in this tree. Even the Dryasauruses are hanging out. What's with this little corner that the sauropods love so much? And why is this guy like super shy? Is he stuck? He's like stuck somehow. What is happening?
I thought you might like some input here. No problem.
Message from Dr. Grant.
Wanda. What would a Guanodon be
Message
like?
from Dr. Grant.
Alright. Okay, let's find a feeder. Right, let's
Great to
take
see
a
you.
little flip
Urgent
through.
message from Dr.
See if we
Sattler.
got anything new. Oh, we got Homalocephalae for 1 year, 6 months for the Ornithomimus. Which of course it's blue.
Urgent message from Dr. Sattler.
Ceratops, Brachiosaurus, Apatosaurus, Diplodocus, Minosaur, Torosaurus for 9 months. That Tenotosaurus. Another one. Saurus Guanlon. Allosaurus, Yanchuanosaurus. Okay.
Urgent
So it
message
looks
from
like-
Dr. Sattler.
We would get Homalocephalae if we want to. I'm gonna let Homalocephalae live with the in the main paddock. The very first
Message from
enclosure.
Dr. Wu.
Welcome back.
Yeah. One thing's for certain though is that we are coming close to the end. Right. That's no given. Right.
Message
March
from
is slowly
Dr.
ending.
Grant.
And I gotta have a big bad dinosaur. Sure, we have Allosaurus and Yanchuanosaurus, but I really want
Urgent
a
message from Dr.
Carcharodontosaurus.
Sattler.
In fact, actually, just so I can increase the odds that I get that dinosaur, let me have a look at the fossil hunt. How are we down here? It's apparently still good. $120,000 for another team. Stuff it. Can we just buy infinite amounts of teams? How's everything else going? Exhausted there. Move you here. Okay.
This is way out of my league. What's your advice?
What should we do here?
Casserole is now at 45%. Oh yeah. What do I do
Can you
with
look after this
casserole?
while I get a soda?
Message from Dr. Grant.
I considered it for a moment. When did these two die? Bambi! Welcome, Bambi! to Jurassic Park! That's... I promise you we will not feed you to the dinosaurs. That's for goats, not deers. You don't look like a deer, you look like a human, a teenage chick or something. But I hope you enjoyed Jurassic Park, Bambi. Disney needs to fund us and sponsor. Imagine in a real world
Welcome.
scenario where Jurassic Park does actually exist. Dinosaurs are real. Dinosaurs are alive. Alright, they're brought back from
What
extinction.
would you like us to do?
And Disney sponsors them. How would that go?
Message from Dr.
They'd be
Grant.
like... Would there just be like Disney characters just plastered like on the sides? Like a Mickey Mouse size comparison?
Urgent message from Dr. Sattler.
What should we do here?
Or is there a cow character? Surely there's a
Urgent message
there must
from
be
Dr.
like a goat
Sattler.
or cat, like for the literal century of Disney existing, there has to be a cow or a goat. I'm sure there is. Like I can't think of. Because I was just imagining like you go into the carnivore feeders, and they disperse the animal.
You must do something about this.
Anything untouched
Urgent
areas
message from
that
Dr.
need
Sattler.
Justified. I think. I've just
I can't believe this is happening. What should we do?
Message from Dr. Grant.
More Yanchuanosaurus remains. I don't want Yanchuanosaurus remains though. It's nice that we have it, you know, make the Yanchuanosauruses live longer, but I need something new. You know. I guess I can chat about how this year's Jurassic March went, you know. I feel
Message from Dr. Grant.
Gargarodontosaurus! And it's a large too!
Great.
And a Velociraptor. Sure, we'll get Velociraptor as well. Why not? I feel like this year was okay. I've had better Jurassic Marches, personally. There were other mods that I liked more. This one was fine. You know, wish that I had more diversity with the dinosaurs.
Message from Dr. Grant.
That's all. And just in general, like
Message from Dr. Wu.
this one was definitely a lot more slower compared to other Jurassic Marches. You know, because normally, if there was a certain dinosaur that I wanted, I could just go into the fossil market and go like, oh yeah, I'll just
Greetings.
buy a specific fossil. But for some reason, this version has it set where I only get ambers, which is annoying. You know. Because it's literally
Message
gambling.
from
I'm
Dr. Grant.
quite literally gambling and hoping that I get the right dinosaur DNA, you know? Just put the DNA in. I don't even think it tells you where they even got it from,
Good to
right?
have you back so soon.
No, it just tells you Cretaceous or Jurassic and the quality. It doesn't tell you where they got the amber from. So I don't even know if I'm even getting a dinosaur from a certain formation that I want. For all I know, I could just be getting something that I've gotten way back in the start, you know. And that's another thing. That I could have just get another dinosaur that's like 100% DNA, and I just wasted money for no reason. It's just
What
it's
should we
annoying,
do
yeah.
about this?
Chasmosaurus,
Great.
Brachiosaurus, look at Chasmosaurus. I'm going to get the Homalocephali.
Welcome
Stuff
back.
it. I'm just gonna put them into the main first enclosure, and we'll just see how this goes. See if there's anything
Message
new
from Dr. Grant.
about those dinosaurs. What they did to this mod. But yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to announce the arrival of our new attraction, the exotic Asian herbivore, Homalocephali. Please enjoy these cute little critters.
Someone's not happy. Oh, 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 oh! Kind of sunk into the ground a little. Homalocephali. Okay, first off,
Message from Dr. Wu.
I don't know if it's just me, but they feel bigger. But I'm definitely also noticing that they're definitely much more textured, specifically on the face. I remember the Homalocephali being like very blurry, ignoring the whole sound aspect, because like I'm like 100% convinced now that they changed the sound to all the dinosaurs. But you know, a little unfortunate for the nostalgic part of it.
Message from Dr. Wu.
But I guess it's neat to see how they changed the dinosaur models. And I think I prefer the old wars more. All of them, really.
Message from Dr.
Only
Grant.
Peckies, I guess, still kind of keep them around. Not really. They had that extra sound. And I don't know if it's just me, but I swear they
Message from Dr.
they
Wu.
loop one specific sound effect over and over again for all the dinosaurs, and that's it. They don't diversify the roars. It's always the same roar on
Message from
loop,
Dr. Grant.
which can make you go insane, you know. It can get annoying at times when you just trying to look at a dinosaur, watch it peacefully, and they just make the same noise and the same frequency in the same amount of time. It's like, listen right now to the Homalocephali. That's literally the same roar. The one single roar. There's no pitch difference. Just
Message from Dr. Grant.
oh well. But I think the
Message
HDFI
from
is still
Dr.
pretty
Grant.
cool nonetheless. Yeah. Specifically the face. The face looks cool. I like the eyeball.
This
Right.
is way out of my league. What's your advice?
Archaeodinosaurus is now 40%, Stegosaurus, Chasmosaurus is now 50%. I'm
Urgent
not gonna
message
get it
from
yet
Dr. Sattler.
until it can live longer. A Birdosaurus looks like it
choice.
might happen, which would be interesting. Oh, and Ornithomimus. Stop it, we might as well get Ornithomimus as well.
Urgent
That one's an
message
actually
from
new
Dr.
dinosaur,
Sattler.
but I am 100% certain that we've gotten that from another Jurassic March, I remember. I explicitly remember it, probably way back. Oh, Ornithomimus was actually an old school J-Pog dinosaur mod. I
Urgent
remember, I
message
don't know
from
if it was
Dr.
like the
Sattler.
second or third season, but I definitely remember getting Ornithomimus like very early on, one of the first few Jurassic Marches. Probably the second one. The one where I got the Giganotosaurus. We got 20 seconds left. We'll save Ornithomimus for the next episode. If there is next episode. Albertosaurus as well, I guess. Will also happen. Hold on, let me just check. How long does Albertosaurus live for? 1 year.
Message from Dr.
So I'll
Grant.
consider making a
Urgent
Albertosaurus
message from Dr.
enclosure.
Sattler.
And yeah, we'll see how things go. I just accidentally restarted the timer instead of stopping it. Cancel.
Great.
Alright. So, where are they? Where's the Homalocephali? They just love sleeping in front of the car, don't they? Alright, well if you guys enjoyed the video, click the like button if you want to see more.
Message from Dr. Wu.
Yeah, super
Urgent
fast. Yeah, make
message
sure
from Dr.
you
Sattler.
have a super chat. Did the button at the corner of the subscribe button glow? That's whatever.
Urgent message from Dr. Sattler.